Hey guys, it's Cassidy, and today I would like to do a product review on the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. Unfortunately, I am naturally pretty pale. I definitely have to pop up my cheekbones so that it doesn't look so flat. Alright, so here it is. This is what it looks like. It's super sheer. Pretty, it's shimmery. I think this is one of those products where a little goes a long way. I'm just gonna put it on the old apples of my cheeks. Just gonna put a powder brush over it, blend it in. Am I illuminated yet? Ooh, and actually I've seen a couple other people do this. You take a tiny bit and you just, because that way you'll shine. I would say this is a go for me. The color is Sunbeam and I like it. It's very pretty and soft and feminine and girly, and it's just very subtle. This product is definitely a go for me. I really like it. It's an illuminating way for you to look like a cheaper version of J-Lo. No, but for real, thank you so much for watching. Please comment below if you have any suggestions of products I absolutely must try. Hit thumbs up if you love this video and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Bye guys! Peel. What do you guys think? Do I glow like J-Lo? Apparently I want to be shimmering all over. Okay, so that is that. Look at that dimension.